I've never driven an electric car. Looking at them, they just seem smaller, slower, kind of the cute, but not practical car. For this car, I expect it to be gorgeous, roomy, but slow. That's my fear, but we'll see. Can't even tell there's a motor in here. You don't hear anything. It just kind of glides. Yeah. Ow! Okay, so that is like a roller coaster that you're controlling. Not expecting this car to handle this well, have this much control. This car feels great. Me and you should never part. This is gonna be a conversation when I get home, definitely. I don't think you can test drive this car and just go back to normal. I didn't expect an electric car to accelerate that fast at all in a million years. That was amazing. The car handles great. It doesn't need my help. Even though it goes really fast, you can trust it. You feel safe. So the next upgrade is probably is an electric vehicle. It changed everything.